Why should you learn multiplication tables? Since multiplication is used almost everywhere, you must be able to multiply in a smart, quick, and simple manner. The multiplication tables, or times tables, help you with this. Let's start by looking at a situation where knowing your times tables is useful. Mary wants to buy a new game that costs $50. She gets $5 every time she takes her neighbor's quirky dog for a walk. How many times does she have to walk the dog in order to save enough money to buy the game? If she walks the dog 3 times, she gets 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals $15. That's not enough. What about 5 times? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals $25. That's not enough either. What about 8 times? 5 plus 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 5 equals $40. Now she's getting close, but she must walk the dog a few more times. How about 10 trips? 5 plus 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 5 equals $50. That is correct. These calculations were way too much work, and you don't have time for that. If Mary mastered her times tables, this would have gone a lot quicker. Do you remember how we compared multiplication to breathing? The times tables are the breathing exercises you need. Multiplication can feel confusing and complicated. You need some way of keeping organized. The times tables organize all multiplications with integer factors from 1 to 10. You must know your times tables by heart. However, this isn't as bad as you might think. You only need to learn 55 expressions, not all 100 which are written in the tables. You can understand this by noticing that the answers in the lower left triangle are the same as the answers in the upper right triangle. When you master your times tables, you will actually be able to solve all kinds of multiplication exercises. It'll even help you with fractions, which you'll learn shortly. Knowing the multiplication table unlocks all multiplication.